Hello, my name is Chris Rowe and this is a video for lesson 34. So let's get started with subtracting decimals. Number 1. 16 minus 0.015. So as you can see, we need to borrow to be able to subtract, but these are zeros so we can't borrow from them. So we're going to borrow from 6, so we get 5, these become 9s, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, and we get 15.985 for 1. So let's try 3. 3.0 minus 1.5. I'm going to borrow from 2. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we get 1.5 for our answer. Let's try 5. 16 minus, 16 minus 1.4. So that is, we're going to borrow from 6. This becomes 5. This becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we get 14.6 for our answer. 7, 9 minus 0.15. We can't borrow from 0, so we're going to borrow from 8. Or we're going to borrow from 9, and it becomes 8. This becomes 9, and we get 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. So we get 8.85 for our answer. Round to the underlying number. Let's try 1. So 8 is the underlying number. And to the right, we have 3. And 3 is less than 5. So we're going to round down. And we get 218,800 for our answer. Let's continue with 3. 1 is underlined. To the right, we have 1. And 1 is obviously less than 5. So we're going to round down. And we get 38,110 for our answer. 5. 5 is underlined. To the right, we have 1. And just like number 3, we know that 1 is less than 5. So we're going to round down. We have 15,000 as our answer. 7. 764,910. We have 7 underlined. To the right, we have 6. And 6 is greater than 5. So we're going to round up. We'll get 800,000 as our answer. 9. 5 is underlined. To the right, we have 0. 0 is less than 5. We're going to round down. We get 5,000. Dividing. Let's try 1. 194 divided by 30. We can't. 30 doesn't fit into 1. And 30 doesn't fit into 19. But 30 fits into 194 6 times. And when we subtract, we get 14 as a remainder. So the answer is 6, remainder 14. 3. 244 divided by 60. 60 doesn't fit into 2. 60 doesn't fit into 24, but it fits into 244. We know that 6 times 4 is 24, so 60 times 4 is 240. So this 60 fits into 244 4 times. When we subtract, we get 4. So we know that 4 is our remainder. So 4, remainder 4 is our answer. 5, 240 divided by 50. 50 doesn't fit into 2. 50 doesn't fit into 24, but it fits into 240 4 times, because 50 times 4 is 240, or 200. And when we subtract, we get 40 as a remainder. So the answer is 4, remainder 40. 7, 134, divide by 40. 40 fits into 134 3 times. And we get 120 to subtract. And we get 14 as a remainder. Prime factors. So we're going to figure out if the number is a prime number or not. Okay, so a prime number, so the number is a prime number if its factors is 1 and the number itself. So for example, number 1, 2. The factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Those are the only factors, so 2 is a prime number. Number 3, the factors of 37 is 1 and the number itself, which is 37. So just like number 1, we know that 37 is a prime number. Let's try 4. 9. The factors of 9 is 1, 3, and 9. That's more than the 2 factors we had from 1 and 3. So 9 is not a prime number. Let's look at 6. The factors of 3 is 1 and the number itself, which is 3. So that makes it a prime number. 46. Other than 1 and 46, we know that 2 and 23 are factors of 46. There are more factors, but since there are more factors than just 1 and 46, we know that 46 is not a prime number. 10. The factors of 19 is just 1 and 19, so we know that it is a prime number. And that is it. Thanks for watching.